How to change your password on Deezer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your password on Deezer app. So first thing we do is we go to Deezer, and as you can see this is the home page. Now you click on here the top corner, and after that you go to account management, and now you will find an option says change password, and here you can change your password easy and fast. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I hope you leave a comment too, and thank you so much.